Bike porn. Oh.
Oh, baby. Oh, I love the spokes, the way they stroke against my rubber.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, I make you weak, don't you?
I'm shy.
So, bike porn.
I'm shy. Look at the moon, baby.
I'm looking, yeah.
I did not see the moon.
In the middle of downtown. Where we at?
Kings Mountain.
Downtown Kings Mountain. My country boy right here. Say howdy, y'all.
Howdy, y'all.
I got ants in my butt.
I got ants in my peanuts.
Shut up.
My peanuts, not peanuts. Such a dirty mind.
And that's ugly ass car. That's so low to the ground it can't even go up a mountain. See that shit? See that shit, people? So low down to the ground, that old man think he cool. Old man think he cool. But the old man can't even go on a dirt road.
Little penis, big car.
It's like, little penis, big truck. I got a little penis, but a big truck. All the people out there that got a big truck say, I got a little penis, but a big truck. Girl, see like you get it started.
Little Caesars. Your pieces are too expensive.